welcome back to another session of life processes. Yes guys, today's session is completely dedicated to excretion. Yes, we have already done with your digestion, your respiration, your circulation, transportation. Now it's the turn of excretion. We have already discussed how excretion takes place in case of plants and what is excretion. Yes, now we will be discussing about how this excretion takes place inside our body. Yes, we need to know how the excretion process, how the filtration of blood takes place inside our body. So today's session is going to be the filtration of blood with the help of kidneys. Yes, today we will discuss the structure of kidney first, and in the later on videos we will be discussing about the urine formation and how filtration takes place. Yes, of course guys, we know our body cells takes parts in number of metabolic activities. Yes, and it produces loads and loads and loads of useful products. Yes, you all will agree with me. Cells undergoes metabolic activities and produces lots of useful products and also energy. Yes, we require energy, cell produces the energy, but when we talk about good things, we need to discuss the negative things also. No doubt, it's very good thing to produce lots of useful products and energy. But it also produces toxic waste or poisonous waste. And that toxic waste, that unwanted waste need to be removed from our body. Yes, or else we are going to face a lots of difficulties and problems. Yeah, you may get severe diseases like uremia if all the toxic substances get accumulated inside your body and will not remove from your body. So it's very important that this toxic waste, this poisonous waste, this nitrogenous waste need to be removed from our body. And how will it be removed? It will be removed by the process of excretion. Yes, what does excretion means? The removal of the unwanted waste, the removal of the toxic waste, the removal of the poisonous waste, the removal of nitrogenous waste out from our body is called as your excretion, guys. Yes, I spoke about nitrogenous waste. What are the nitrogenous waste? Urea, uric acids, these are all nitrogenous waste. Urea, it's actually the undigested proteins which is present in the liver. Yes, urea is actually the undigested protein in the liver which needs to be removed from the body. And it's considered as the nitrogenous waste. Yes guys, so if these are not removed from our body, then what we are going to suffer from? We are going to suffer from loads of diseases, loads of difficulties. We can get uremia. Our body will be accumulated with all the poisonous waste inside our body, and hence excretion plays a vital role. Hence excretion is the most important metabolic processes inside our body. Yes, excretion helps in the removal of the toxic substances or the unwanted materials from our body. Yes, I hope you understood what excretion is. The removal of the toxic substances or the unwanted waste materials from our body is called as your excretion. Yes, our body produces lots of toxic substances. Just now we discussed carbon dioxide. Of course, carbon dioxide is also a waste for us. Yes, urea. Just now I told you, urea is nothing but the unwanted or undigested proteins in your liver. Uric acids, excess of water, salt, these are the waste of our body which need to be removed from our body. Yes, so what are the excretory waste present inside our body? What are the excretory waste present inside our body? Urea, yes, uric acid, ammonia, these are all nitrogenous waste. Remember guys, carbon dioxide is a waste for us. Excess of water, excess of salt is also waste for us. And nitrogenous waste. What are these nitrogenous waste? Urea, uric acid, ammonia. These are considered as nitrogenous waste and need to be removed from the body. So let's See how it is removed. Yes, and who plays the main important role in excretory system? Of course, your skin also acts as an excretory system because through sweat you loses excess of water and salt. But the most important organ, the most vital role in excretory system is performed by kidney. Yes, the most important function of excretion is performed by our kidney. Yes, you all know about kidney. And we are blessed. We are blessed with a pair of kidneys. Pair of kidneys in the sense we have got 2 kidneys. Understood? Yes or no? And this kidney helps in the removal of these waste. And liquid waste are also removed in the form of urine. Yes, liquid waste are also formed, and that liquid waste is called urine, which is removed from our body. It's yellowish form. Understood? So what is excretion? Removal of the unwanted waste from our body is called excretion. And what is the important organ which plays the vital role in excretion? Of course, kidney. Okay, let's move on to kidney. Okay, how does it appear? What is the structure of kidney? So just now I told you, we are blessed with a pair of kidneys. So how many kidneys are there inside our body? 2 kidneys. Just look at this diagram. Please look at this diagram. I hope you can easily see it. Of course. Yes. So we are blessed with 2 kidneys. Yes. How many kidneys are present? 2 kidneys. Where it is present? It is present at the back side. Yes, and it is attached one side to the dorsal and another side to our spinal cord. Yes, so where it is present near the back. Yes, one side is attached with the dorsal side of the body and another side is attached to the spinal cord. Yes, understood? How many kidneys? 2 kidneys. Where it is present? Back side. Yes. And one side is attached to the dorsal side and another side of the kidney is attached to our spinal cord. Yes, understood? Now, I said a pair of kidneys means definitely a right kidney is present and left kidney is present. Let's see, this is the left side of the kidney. Left kidney. Yes, and this is your right kidney. Yes, guys? So left kidney and right kidney. And one important thing I would like to show you that your right kidney is slightly lower as compared to that of the left kidney. Why? Yes, the right kidney is slightly lower than the left kidney. Why? Because above the right kidney, liver is present. Just above the right kidney, liver is present and hence right kidney is slightly lower than your left kidney. Got it? Structure of kidney. We are discussing about the structure of kidney and these points you have to mention there. Done? So how many? A pair of kidney is present. Okay. Then. So 2 kidneys, left kidney and right kidney. Done. Okay, and the right kidney is slightly lower than the left kidney. Why? Because liver is present just above the right kidney. Got it? Now, and where kidney is present? Back side. One end is attached to the dorsal side and another side is present to the attached to the spinal cord. Yes. And what other things the excretory system contains? We discussed excretory system consists of a pair of kidney and also it also contains a pair of ureter. Yes, a pair of ureter. Our excretory system consists of a pair of kidney, a pair of ureter. A pair of kidney, you can see this tube-like structure. Yes, guys, are you able to see it? Just see. A pair of ureter is present. a pair of ureter is present. You can see here one urinary bladder is present. Urinary bladder. Yes, connecting both the ureter, urinary bladder is present, and at the end, urethra is present. Kidney. Listen to me very carefully. Yes, what does our excretory system consist of? First, pair of kidneys, done. Next, a pair of this tube-like structure, ureter, done. Connecting both the ureter, urinary bladder, a funnel-shaped structure, you can see it. Yes, a funnel-like shaped structure, urinary bladder. And at the end, urethra for the removal of the waste. Yes, understood? Our excretory system consists of a pair of kidneys. Yes, pair of your ureter, this tube-like structure, kidney, pair of ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. 4 things. Our excretory system consists of 4 things. A pair of kidney, a pair of ureter, then urinary bladder and finally your urethra. So today we will discuss only about kidney. Just now I told you the kidney. It's 2 pairs. 1 pair of kidney is present, means 2 kidney. Left kidney and right kidney. Right kidney is slightly lower than left kidney. Why? Of course, above it liver is present. Alright. Then kidney shape, it's bean shaped. How is the shape of the kidney? Just see there. It's the shape of bean shape. Yes. So kidney is bean shaped. Remember guys, kidney is bean shaped and it is reddish brown in color. Yes, it is reddish brown in color. So whenever you are going to write about the structure of kidney, the first point what you are going to mention, our excretory system consists of a pair of kidney, a pair of ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. Second, kidney, a pair of kidney is present. Yes, it is reddish brown in color. It is present on the back side, one end attached to dorsal side and another end attached to the spinal cord. Of course, next, what is the color of kidney? Reddish brown in color. If someone will ask you, why is the right kidney slightly lower than the left kidney? You will immediately answer, just above it, liver is present. Done? Next. So, it's reddish brown in color. What is the length of the kidney? Yes, what is the length of the kidney? 10 centimeter. The length of the kidney is 10 centimeter. Yes, remember, length 10 centimeter. Breadth, what is the breadth of the kidney? 5 to 6 centimeter. Yes, length is about your 10 centimeter. Kidney is about 10 centimeter in size and 5 to 6 centimeter in breadth. Got it? What is the size of the kidney? It's 10 centimeter in length and 5 to 6 centimeter in your breadth. Understood now? Pair of kidneys, left and right. So right slightly lower because liver is present. Done. Next, its length is about 10 centimeter. Breadth is 5 to 6 centimeter in diameter. Then comes bean shaped. Yes. So these are the structure of kidney. And one important thing I would like to tell you. While we were discussing about your circulatory system or respiration, we came across the word artery. Yes. Are you able to remember it or not? We came across a word called artery. Yes. Do you remember it or not? Artery. Pulmonary artery. We read in our respiration and blood circulation and heart. Pulmonary artery. We read. Pulmonary denotes for your lungs. The word pulmonary denotes for your lungs. But whenever the word renal, yes, mention renal, whenever the word renal artery, renal vein comes across, then it deals with kidney. Clear? So when we are going to talk about circulation and respiration, we are going to use the term pulmonary artery, pulmonary veins. But when we are going to speak about the kidney, excretion, we should use the word renal artery or renal vein. As usual. Okay, renal artery and renal vein. And this, you can see. I can make you see there. Okay, so can you see this pink colored one? On the left side, yes, this pink colored structure. This is renal artery. Artery means we have red blood vessels. So this is renal artery, means associated with kidney. So we named it as renal artery. And what is the work of renal artery? It will bring the blood, impure blood. It will bring the impure blood. Impure blood in the sense it has got urea, uric acid and all those things. Yes? So this renal artery will bring your impure blood to kidney. Yes, it will bring your impure blood to kidney. And here you can see the blue colored one. The blue colored one. Yes, it is called renal vein. Yes, it is called your renal vein. This pink colored one is called as renal artery. Why renal artery? Because we are talking about kidney. And this renal artery brings the impure blood. Impure blood in the sense that contains urea, uric acid, ammonia. Yes, all the waste. And it brings this, renal artery brings this blood, impure blood to kidney for filtration. Why it will bring? Of course, for filtration. If it is bringing that impure blood to kidney for filtration purpose only. And once it gets filtrated, once the blood gets purified, once the blood gets filtered, then this renal vein, blue colored one, this renal vein carries back that pure blood back to the heart. Yes, understood? Renal artery brings the impure blood. And after purification or filtration, this renal vein will carry that blood to heart. Why to heart? To remove the carbon dioxide present in the blood. Understood? Once again, renal artery brings impure blood. What does impure blood mean? Containing urea, uric acid, ammonia, nitrogenous waste. Done. So why it will bring to your kidney? For filtration. And once the blood gets filtrated, yes, once the blood gets filtrated, then this renal vein will carry that pure blood to heart. Why to heart? Why? Because carbon dioxide is need to be removed from the blood. Understood? Yes. So here we came across renal artery and renal vein. How does it enter? How does it enter this entry and exit of renal vein? Yes. You can see some depression-like structure. You can see some here. It's a depression-like structure. It's a depression-like structure. That is called hilus. H-I-L-U-S. This depression-like structure is called, likewise, na? I can see. This is a depression or this is a fissure or hilus. Yes. So in the kidney, there is a depression-like structure or hilus is there or fissure is there. And this hilus and fissure, this is called H-I-L-U-S, guys. This hilus is useful for the entry and exit of your arteries and veins. Done? Understood? How do the renal artery and renal vein enters and exit? Through the hilus. Through the hilus of the kidney. Through the fissure. F-I-S-S-U-R-E. Fissure of the kidney. Understood? We talk about renal artery, renal vein. How do they enter and exit? Through hilus or fissure. Understood, guys? You understood? I hope you are understanding what is the structure of kidney. Now let's move on to the internal structure of the kidney. What is inside the kidney? Yes, you can see the diagram over here. Yes, just shift it to this side. Yeah, kidney. Okay. So when we are going to observe the internal structure of kidney, you can see there is a dark, I have colored pink color, dark pink. When we are going to see the internal structure of kidney, there are two zones, outer zones. This is the outer zone, and this one is that white colored one is called as your inner zone. You can see the outer zone is darkly colored. Yes, the outer zone is darkly colored and the inner zone is lightly colored. And the outer zone which is darkly colored is called as your cortex. C-O-R-T-E-X. The darkly colored zone is called as your cortex, and the inner light colored zone is called as medulla. Yes? Clearly listen to me. Yes, when we are going to observe the internal structure of kidney, we have got two zones. The outer dark colored zone, that is called as your cortex, and the inner light colored zone, that is called as your medulla. Yes, outer cortex, inner medulla. Outer cortex, C-O-R-T-E-X. How is cortex? Dark colored zone. Outer dark colored zone is called cortex and the inner light colored zone is called medulla. So, inside the kidney, are you able to see some inverted pyramid-like structure? Yes. Are you able to see some inverted pyramid-like structure? Yes, this inverted pyramid-like structure. Can you see it or not? Some inverted pyramid-like structure. So there are about 9 to 12 inverted pyramid-like structure is present inside the kidney. And that inverted pyramid-like structure inside the kidney is called calyx. C-A-L-Y-X. Calyx. That is called calyx. C-A-L-Y-X. Calyx. Understood? Internal structure of kidney, outer dark colored zone cortex and inner light colored zone, that is called as your medulla. So inside the kidney 9 to 12 inverted pyramid. Yes, inverted pyramid like structure present. You can see it or not, it's orange color. Inverted pyramid like structure. Yes, inverted pyramid like structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Likewise 9 to 12 is there. Yes, inside the kidney 9 to 12 inverted pyramid like structure is present and the name of that pyramid like structure is called calyx. C-A-L-Y-X. C-A-L-Y-X. The inverted pyramid like structure is called as your calyx. C-A-L-Y-X. Calyx. Got it? Yes, inside the kidney, pyramid-like structure is present. And what is the name of that your inverted pyramid-like structure? Calyx. And if you are going to observe clearly the pyramid or calyx, you can find very microscopic thin tubular structure. Very microscopic thin tubular structure. Yes. Each pyramid has got microscopic thin pyramid-like structure and that microscopic thin pyramid-like structure is called nephron. Yes, that microscopic tubular structure present in the pyramid is called as your nephron. N-E-P-H-R-O-N, and nephron is regarded as the structural and functional unit of kidney. Please note it down. It's a very important question. Nephron is called the structural and functional unit of kidney. Yes, nephron is called the structural and functional unit of kidney because all the filtration of the blood, yes, and the formation of urine carried out in these nephron, guys. Yes. So inside the pyramid, and you know, more than 1 million of nephrons are present in our body, in our kidney. More than 1 million of nephron are present in the kidney and they are the structural and functional unit of kidney. Why? Because they only filter the blood. They help in the formation of urine. So nephron is the most important part of kidney because it participates in the purification. And hence, these nephron are regarded as the structural and functional unit of kidney. So in our next coming class, we are going to discuss about the nephron and how urine is formed by the help of nephron. Until then, you please go through once again about the structure of kidney, draw the diagrams, and I will send you the picture of this diagram. It is very easy to understand. Yes, you can pause it, you can write the notes, and please go through your books and read properly. Yes, until then, we will meet again. Stay safe and stay healthy.